this video, I will introduce you to the rest of the companies in the portfolio, which are business development companies. While real estate companies take loans to finance their activity, business development companies give loans and invest in companies. By investing in both of the sectors, I am exposed to the two sides of the coin. This company provides debt and equity capital to small and middle market companies. These companies have annual revenues between $10 million and $150 million. The company offers one-stop financing, providing comprehensive and customized financial solutions to support companies' growth and operations. It simplifies financing by offering a single integrated package of debt and equity capital, ensuring greater flexibility to meet specific needs. This company focuses on investing in established lower middle market companies with strong growth potential. These companies generally have annual revenues between $20 million and $100 million. The company maintains a diversified investment portfolio across various industry sectors. This diversification helps spread risk and enables them to capitalize on opportunities in different market segments. The company typically takes a patient and long-term approach to its investments, aiming to build value over time in the companies it supports. This company provides capital and financial solutions to early-stage and established technology and life sciences companies. These sectors include innovative and high-growth industries such as software, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. The company typically targets revenue-generating companies with a proven business model and potential for sustainable growth. The company is aware of the inherent risk associated with investing in technology and life sciences companies, so it implements risk management practices to protect its capital and maintain a balanced portfolio. This company provides flexible and floating rate debt financing to middle rate companies. The company maintains a diversified investment portfolio across various industries and sectors. This diversification helps spread risk and allows to capitalize on opportunities in different segments of the middle market. They avoid businesses with heavy capital expenditure requirements, and they generally avoid industries such as fashion, retail, and restaurants.